Aloe vera gel is a popular natural remedy, cherished by people all over the world for its gentle yet effective properties. This soothing gel is often the first thing many reach for when they need relief from skin irritation or discomfort. Its reputation as a natural healer has made it a staple in countless households, and its use continues to grow as more people discover its benefits. Aloe vera gel comes from the thick, fleshy leaves of the aloe vera plant, a succulent that thrives in warm, dry climates. The plant itself is easy to grow at home, making it accessible for anyone who wants a fresh supply of this natural remedy. When you break open an aloe vera leaf, you'll find the clear, cool gel inside, ready to be used. People have turned to aloe vera for centuries, relying on its soothing and healing properties to treat a variety of skin conditions. Ancient civilizations from Egypt to India valued aloe vera as a plant of immortality, using it to heal wounds, moisturize skin, and even as part of their beauty routines. Its legacy as a trusted natural remedy continues to this day. Today, you can find aloe vera gel in many convenient forms, such as lotions, creams, gels, and even drinks. It's a key ingredient in a wide range of skincare and wellness products, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you prefer a pure gel or a product blended with other natural ingredients, there's an option for everyone. Aloe vera gel is especially well known for its remarkable skin benefits. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, yet powerful enough to help with issues like redness, irritation, and dryness. Many people use it as a daily moisturizer, a soothing after-sun treatment, or even as a calming mask for their face. One of the most popular uses for aloe vera gel is to soothe sunburns. Its cooling sensation provides instant relief, while its natural compounds help the skin heal faster. It's also excellent for moisturizing dry, cracked hands, elbows, and feet, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Because of its versatility, many people keep a bottle of aloe vera gel at home, ready to use for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It's a gentle alternative to chemical-based ointments, and its natural antibacterial properties can help protect and soothe the skin as it heals. Aloe vera gel isn't just for your skin, it's also found in drinks and supplements, where it's believed to support digestion and boost hydration. Some people even use it in their hair care routines to add shine and moisture. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any home. Whether you're looking to soothe your skin, care for minor injuries, or simply add a touch of nature to your self-care routine, aloe vera gel is a fantastic option. Its gentle, natural formula makes it suitable for all ages, and its many uses make it a true nature's soother for everyday life. The aloe vera plant is a remarkable succulent, instantly recognizable by its spiky, fleshy leaves and vibrant green color. This plant has been cherished for centuries, not only for its striking appearance, but also for its many uses in homes and gardens around the world. Aloe vera is often found sitting on sunny windowsills, thriving in gardens, or even growing wild in arid landscapes. As a succulent, aloe vera has a special adaptation. It stores water in its thick, juicy leaves. This allows the plant to survive long periods of drought and intense sunlight, making it incredibly resilient. If you break open a leaf, you'll find a clear, soothing gel inside, which is packed with moisture and nutrients. The leaves themselves are thick and fleshy, designed to hold as much water as possible. Their color can range from a deep, lush green to a more muted gray-green shade, depending on the variety and growing conditions. This unique coloration helps the plant reflect harsh sunlight and conserve water. Along the edges of each leaf, you'll notice small, white, tooth-like serrations. These tiny spikes give aloe vera its signature spiky look and help protect the plant from animals that might want to nibble on its juicy leaves. Aloe vera is native to some of the hottest and driest regions on Earth, including parts of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. In these harsh environments, the plant's ability to store water is a true survival advantage, allowing it to flourish where many other plants cannot. To thrive, aloe vera needs warm temperatures and soil that drains quickly, such as sandy or rocky ground. It dislikes sitting in water, so well-drained soil is essential for healthy growth. In the right conditions, aloe vera can grow vigorously and produce many new shoots. A mature aloe vera plant can reach up to 3 feet in height, with a wide, spreading rosette of leaves. Its impressive size makes it a striking focal point in any garden or as a statement plant indoors. When conditions are just right, aloe vera produces tall flower stalks that rise above the leaves. These stalks are topped with clusters of tubular flowers, which can be yellow, orange, or even red. The blooms attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds, adding even more life to your garden. One of the reasons aloe vera is so popular is that it's easy to grow, even for beginners. It can be planted in pots or directly in the ground, and it requires very little maintenance. Just a sunny spot and occasional watering are enough to keep it happy. Aloe vera is highly adaptable, thriving both indoors and outdoors. Its drought tolerance means it can go for weeks without water, making it perfect for busy people or those who travel often. Whether you keep it on a balcony, in a garden, or on a kitchen windowsill, aloe vera will continue to grow and flourish. With its unique spiky appearance, easy care, and legendary healing properties, aloe vera has earned its place as a favorite plant in homes and gardens worldwide. Whether you love it for its looks or its soothing gel, aloe vera is truly a plant worth growing. Growing aloe vera is quite simple. It needs plenty of sunlight and well-draining soil. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent the roots from sitting in water. Water the plant deeply but infrequently. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. You can fertilize your aloe vera plant a few times a year during the growing season. Harvesting aloe vera leaves is easy. Select a plump, mature leaf from the outer part of the plant. Use a sharp knife to cut the leaf close to the base. Be careful of the sharp edges on the leaves. Making aloe vera gel at home is a straightforward process. You'll need a mature aloe vera leaf, a sharp knife, a spoon, and a clean container. First, wash the leaf thoroughly. Next, carefully slice off the spiky edges. Then, cut the leaf open lengthwise and scoop out the clear gel using a spoon. You can use the gel directly or blend it to create a smoother consistency. In factories, the process is similar but on a larger scale. Machines wash and fillet the leaves. Then they extract the gel and process it to remove impurities. This ensures a consistent and high-quality product. You can find many brands of aloe vera gel on the market today. Popular options include Fruit of the Earth, Nature's Way, and George's Aloe Vera. The price of aloe vera gel varies depending on the brand, size, and ingredients. On average, a 12-ounce bottle of pure aloe vera gel costs between $5 and $10. When choosing an aloe vera gel, look for products that are organic and free of added fragrances and colors. These can irritate sensitive skin. Reading reviews and comparing prices can help you find a high-quality product that fits your budget. Aloe vera gel contains over 75 active compounds. These include vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids. Some of the key ingredients include vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. One of the primary active compounds in aloe vera is called aloin. Aloin gives aloe vera its laxative properties. However, most commercially available aloe vera gel undergoes processing to remove aloin. Understanding the chemical makeup of aloe vera gel helps us appreciate its diverse range of benefits. From soothing burns to boosting the immune system, aloe vera's potent combination of compounds makes it a true marvel of nature. Aloe vera gel is best known for its soothing properties, making it a staple in many skincare routines around the world. For centuries, people have turned to this natural remedy to calm irritated skin and provide instant relief from discomfort. The gel, extracted from the thick, fleshy leaves of the aloe vera plant, is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish the skin and help it recover from various forms of stress. It's often used to treat sunburns, minor burns, and skin irritations. The cooling sensation it provides can help reduce redness, swelling, and pain, making it a go-to remedy after spending too much time in the sun or experiencing accidental burns in the kitchen. Many people also use aloe vera gel to soothe insect bites, rashes, and even mild allergic reactions on the skin. The gel creates a protective barrier on the skin, which helps to retain moisture and promote healing. This barrier not only locks in hydration but also shields the skin from external irritants, allowing damaged areas to repair more quickly. Regular use of aloe vera gel can improve skin texture, reduce flakiness, and support the skin's natural regeneration process. Besides its topical benefits, aloe vera gel is also consumed for its potential health benefits. When ingested in small, safe amounts, aloe vera gel is believed to support overall wellness. Some people add it to smoothies or juices, hoping to take advantage of its nutrients and natural compounds that may benefit the body from the inside out. Some people believe it can boost the immune system, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. Aloe vera contains enzymes that may help break down sugars and fats, making digestion smoother. Its anti-inflammatory properties are thought to help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or general stomach discomfort. Additionally, aloe vera supplements and juices are sometimes used as part of wellness routines to promote detoxification and overall vitality. However, more research is needed to confirm these claims. While early studies and anecdotal evidence are promising, scientists continue to investigate the true extent of aloe vera's health benefits. It's important to use aloe vera products as directed and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Whether applied topically or ingested, aloe vera gel offers a wide range of potential health benefits. Its versatility means it can be found in lotions, creams, drinks, and even dietary supplements. People appreciate its gentle, natural approach to healing and maintaining wellness, making it a popular choice in both traditional and modern medicine. Its versatility and natural healing properties make it a valuable addition to any medicine cabinet. Whether you're looking to soothe a sunburn, support your digestive health, or simply add a natural product to your daily routine, aloe vera gel stands out as a time-tested remedy with a wide array of uses. While generally safe for topical use, aloe vera gel can cause side effects in some individuals. These may include skin irritation, redness, itching, or a rash. It's always a good idea to perform a patch test before applying aloe vera gel to a large area of skin. Just apply a small amount of gel to your inner forearm and wait 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. Ingesting large amounts of aloe vera gel can cause digestive issues, such as diarrhea and stomach cramps. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition, consult with your doctor before using aloe vera gel internally. The demand for natural and organic products is steadily on the rise as more people seek healthier and eco-friendly alternatives. This presents a fantastic opportunity for entrepreneurs who are interested in entering the aloe vera industry and making a positive impact. Starting an aloe vera farm can be a profitable and sustainable venture for those willing to invest time and effort. You can sell fresh aloe vera leaves, pure aloe vera gel, and a wide range of other aloe vera-based products to meet growing consumer demand. You can sell directly to consumers at markets or partner with local retailers and stores. Another business opportunity is to create and sell value-added products using aloe vera gel. This could include soaps, lotions, shampoos, and even beverages for health-conscious buyers. With some creativity and marketing savvy, the possibilities for success in this green business are truly endless. Aloe vera gel is a versatile and beneficial natural remedy. Its soothing and healing properties have made it a popular choice for centuries. Whether you're looking to soothe a sunburn, moisturize your skin, or simply improve your overall well-being, aloe vera gel is a fantastic option. Its natural healing power and ease of use make it a must-have for any home. So next time you're looking for a natural way to care for your skin and body, remember the amazing benefits of aloe vera gel. It's a gift from nature that continues to amaze and heal.